Okay, single arm bent over cable rows. So we have Michelle back on her box for this exercise just so we can get a full range of motion. We're gonna set the cable up at its lowest possible attachment, and we're gonna hook up a single arm handle to it. I'm gonna give Michelle that handle. She's gonna set up here in a deadlift style position, putting all of the pressure into her heels, setting her hips back, rotating that tailbone up nice and high to flatten out her spine. From here, she's going to fully release, perfect, fully release that scapula, letting that shoulder fall. And then as she rows, she's twisting that palm to face her body and pulling back. Excellent. Breathing out as she pulls. Good. With your right hand, or the hand that you're not using, you can let it rest on your thigh, or if you want a little bit more core work, you can release it and just let it out. Just let it hang, which will force that lower back to take over that extra weight. Excellent. Make sure that you do both sides when doing this exercise so that you're working your left and your right side evenly. That, my friends, is a single arm bent over cable row.